Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Going Guitar, to another great song here from Dean Lewis. We had him here before on Going Guitar, this time, The Last Bit of Us. Alright, so it's a song that is nice as it is, and it fits guitar very well. So if you like to play like I do, one guitarist and a great song, that's a great choice here, The Last Bit of Us. Let's take a look at this one. No need for any capo, and we have 5 different chords here, so we're gonna go over them. So the 4 chords E minor, C, D, and G are here, and we're gonna throw in the A minor as well. So let's go from the beginning and learn the chords. E minor sounds like that, so it will be open E, second A, second D, open G, and then third B, third E. This last third B, third E will be glued there for the 4 chords there, E minor, C, D, and G. So they will stay with us, all right? That's the E minor. We have the D. All right, so that is open D, second G, third B, and third E. And then we have the C, so C add chord. It will be third on A, second on D, open G, third B, and third E. We have the G as well. So that is third on E, second on A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. So there are the 4 chords there, and we're gonna take the A minor as well. So that is open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. All right, so we have the verse play, and we have picking style. We also will throw in the strumming pattern that will work for the chords as well later. But anyway, the picking style first. The chords, they're the base for this is E minor, D, and C. So when it comes to pick these patterns here, the verse play E minor, D, C. We're gonna play E minor first, and it goes like this. So, like that, all right? So it will be open E string, and then I pick the third B and third E together. Then open E string, open G, open E, and open G. That is 1 round, so. Then we'll go over to the D and follow the same pattern. The bass now is the open D string, so you keep that third B, third E there. You're gonna play open D, then you play the third B and third E together. Then bass, which is the open D, then open G, open D, and open G. That is 1 round. And then we'll go to C, follow the same pattern. Now the bass note is on the 3rd fret A string. So you're gonna play that first. And then you answer with third B and third E together. Then bass, the third A. Then open G, third A, and open G. That is 1 round. You're gonna play it for 2 rounds, so. Okay, so we have the E minor, D, and C. E minor 1, D1, and C2. It goes like this. All right. So, yeah, you can choose to play the finger picking style there, but you can also play the strumming, all right? So, for strumming, you go back to the chords here. We're gonna play the E minor, learn the strumming via E minor, and 1 strumming round will be down, down, up, down, up, down, up, like this. All right? So we have to divide this into 2 different parts. So the first part will be down, down, up, all right? So here it's pretty important to play the first down on the bass, so really to mark that bass this. And then you play down up more in the mid top area as well. Okay, so that is the first part. And the part 2 will be just down up, down up. Right? So it will be down, down, up, and then down, up, down, up. That is one string around. A couple rounds will be Alright, so it follows the same pattern here. If you're going to play the strumming instead of picking here for verse, you're going to play E minor, one string around, D1, and C2, like this. Alright, so that is the verse over 2 chords, and this is the reason why we split it on the string pattern. We're going to use that now. So you're going to play the same chords here pretty much. You're going to play E minor, one string around, then comes D, part 1, down, down, up, and then G, again, part 1, the down, down, up, and then C, 2 string rounds, full. So E minor 1, D, part 1, G, part 1, and C, 2 full rounds, like this. Right, so that is the chorus. So we have a bridge part at 2 minutes and 15 seconds into the song. That's where the bridge part starts. And right before there, you have played the chorus. So I'm not yet done with the chorus here. I'll just explain where we're gonna add in the A minor now. So in the last chord here in the chorus, right before 2:15, about 2:10 or so, you're gonna play when you play the chorus chord progression here, E minor, D, G, and C, instead of playing C there in the last round, right before the bridge part that starts in 2:15, you're gonna play and replace the C with the A minor instead. So this is the only place when you play the A minor. So you're gonna play the A minor in the same way as you play the C, 2 full string rounds, and you just replace C with A minor. So the last chord progression here in the chorus will be E minor 1, D part 1, G part 1, and A minor 2 full rounds, like this. Alright, so that is where you throw in the A minor. Now, at 2:15 comes the bridge part, and yeah, you're gonna completely change the strumming pattern now. You will play a strumming pattern that consists of 8 downs. So, how does it go? We're gonna play the chord progression C. So, C, then E minor, and D. You're gonna do that for 6 rounds. And one round will be 8 downs, like this. Alright, so you're gonna mark out the 4th and the 7th down, okay? That's the downs you want to highlight. So all other downs, when you play the 8 strumming downs, you're gonna play them on the bass strings. And then on the 4th and 7th, you're gonna play them more down on the higher strings. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So bass, 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 top, bass, bass, top, bass. That is one round. So you're gonna play C1, E minor 1, and D2, like this. That is one round. You're gonna play that for 6 rounds, and then after that 6 rounds, we're pretty much in the end, in the outro of the song. And the outro will be that you just continue with the chorus play. E minor 1, D1, D part 1, G part 1, and C 2 full rounds. And that wraps it up for Dean Lewis, The Last Bit of Us. So, Hope you enjoyed this. A great song there. Give it a try if you like guitar playing on your own. This is a great choice there. So hope you enjoyed it, and feel free to support me here on Going Guitar. Till next time, play tuned.